Welcome. This video will walk you through the process of installing the 7501 portable 9-gallon gravity-fed eyewash, as well as the 9083 cleansing stick. Tools necessary for this installation include a Phillips head screwdriver or a power drill, which may make the installation easier, a measuring tape, pen or pencil, and lastly, a spirit level is also useful to ensure that the unit is installed level on the wall. If crooked, the eyewash streams may be uneven, causing compliance concerns. Now unbox the materials and ensure that all parts are present and accounted for. Note, during the unboxing, that the 1/4 inch mounting hardware is not supplied, as mounting surfaces can vary widely. Find a spot that is as close to the hazard as possible, without physically causing a hazard itself. Maximum distance from the hazard is 55 feet. The area should be free of obstruction and be kept between 60 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit to maintain ANSI Z358.1 compliance. Ensure that the location for installation is reinforced if necessary. The filled unit weighs approximately 80 pounds. Drywall studs, concrete or brick walls are ideal for installation. Begin by ensuring the bracket is level. Mark the locations for the hardware, and if installing on a drywall, like in this video, ensure studs are present behind the hardware locations. Using your spirit level, double check that the bracket is level before moving on. The unit can be filled before installation onto the wall. However, note that the filled unit weighs approximately 80 pounds, and it may be difficult to maneuver after filling. Alternatively, you can install the eyewash onto the wall and use a hose or other device to fill the unit, which requires 8.75 gallons to meet the fill line. If installed and filled correctly, it will provide a full 15 minutes of flow to the eyewash. During installation or weekly inspection, note the location of the fill line on the front of the unit and ensure the water level is at or past this line. Indicate in pen or marker on the lid when the unit was filled with water and preservative to ensure future maintenance is timely. Before adding Haws 9082 preservative or the 9083 cleansing stick, check for correct installation and performance by activating the unit and utilizing a tape measure, ensuring that the height of the streams of the eyewash are between 33 to 53 inches from the floor to ensure ANSI Z358.1 compliance. Once finished, refill if necessary and prepare for installation of the preservative or cleansing stick. Remove the 9083 cleansing stick from the box. Ensure that there are no holes or rips in its plastic packaging. Once removed from the plastic, its 3-year lifespan begins. To install the 9083, remove the lid of the 7501 and drop the cage containing the cleansing media approximately halfway into the tank. Hold the retrieval string towards the inside edge of the opening and fasten the lid back into place. This will keep the 9083 away from the walls inside of the tank for maximum effectiveness. Included with the 9083 is a label indicating the serial number and installation date. Fill out the label with the installation date and peel off the protective backing, exposing the adhesive for installation. On installation, place the label in a highly visible location. This will ensure that maintenance and eventual replacement of the 9083 are done accordingly. Maintenance on the 9083 cleansing stick only needs to be done annually over 3 years. Start by removing the unit from the tank and rinsing the device under warm water, removing buildup if any occurred. If difficult to clean, acetic acid, such as white vinegar, can be used as well. Once clean, empty the water in the tank of the 7501. Refill with clean potable water and replace the 9083 following the previous instructions. At this point, you have successfully installed both the 7501 and 9083. The water will remain clean and free of debris each year over 3 years, provided maintenance instructions are followed. If you have any questions, please visit our website at www.hawsco.com or contact our customer service team toll-free at 1-888-640-4297. Thank you for watching.